Engine coin. This is the last 1 month chart, and today is the last day of this month, my brother. If you can see here, today will give you a profit in this month, or they will give you they will give you, my brother, they are lost, my brother. So you can see here this time, the change occur minus 48.2%. They fell down, and what's the mistake to holders doing this mistake? My friend, I already alert all of you, my brothers, to don't do this mistake. What I tell you in this video, otherwise you are completely in the loss. So if you can see here, my brother, this time last 1 hour update, and absolutely we understand, my brothers, to this time they moving upward or they face down. In the last of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. But definitely you can see your angel coin one after unique to they fails down just in only in the last 1 hour. So what's the main reason to they fails down? You know what? The reason, my friend, I tell you, but kindly like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type of informative videos. My friend, the main reason is that today fails down to all cryptocurrency, especially short-term investor. If starting holders starting selling, then they fails down. So therefore, the short-term investor, they are starting at the end of month. You know why? Because they take a because the price is going to be very fastly increasing now, and the price is very huge. So therefore, they starting selling and take a good profit and go, my friend, and go home. So therefore, I alert you, all of you, to don't see the short fail and short jump. You need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope my brothers they will give you a very good profit. So please like this video and subscribe this channel, my brother. So if you check out, my friends, the last 3 days charge, and we understand, my brother, to an upcoming time there is a chance so they will wake up and they will give you a profit or not. So you can see, my brother, after a failures they take also very huge jump, my brother, and you can see here this time also minus 15.3% fails down. So it's come to average, my brother. So but don't sell it, hold it, my brothers, and be safe from loss, my brother. Don't sell it. Please invest before you investing. Please research personally. This will be very good for all of you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.